The 2024 Volkswagen Golf GTI by Berge Volkswagen sports a distinctive and athletic design, carrying forward the iconic GTI styling with modern flair. Its sleek aerodynamic profile is accentuated by sharp lines and a signature red accent stripe across the honeycomb grille, a nod to the car's performance heritage. LED headlights and fog lights, along with available 19-inch alloy wheels, give the GTI an aggressive stance. The rear features a sporty spoiler and dual chrome exhaust tips, emphasizing the Golf GTI's performance-driven nature while maintaining a refined, timeless look. Performance is where the Volkswagen Golf GTI SE truly shines. Powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter TSI engine, this hatchback delivers 241 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission for enthusiasts who love full control over their drive. The precision-tuned chassis, sport suspension, and front-wheel drive setup allow for razor-sharp handling and thrilling cornering capabilities. The GTI's driving dynamics are further enhanced by the VAQ limited slip differential, ensuring exceptional grip and performance during spirited drives. Despite its compact dimensions, the Golf GTI SE offers ample rear seat comfort. The back seats provide generous legroom and headroom, making it suitable for both daily commutes and longer journeys. The sporty, supportive seats are designed to keep passengers comfortable, and the 60/40 split-folding rear seats add flexibility to accommodate extra cargo when needed. Rear seat passengers also benefit from available climate vents, ensuring a pleasant ride even in the back of this performance-oriented hatchback. Inside, the 2024 Golf GTI SE features a driver-focused cabin that blends performance cues with premium materials. The iconic GTI plaid cloth seats with contrast stitching deliver both comfort and visual flair. The flat-bottomed, leather-wrapped steering wheel and metal pedals further emphasize the sporty nature of the car. The dashboard is streamlined and intuitive, with soft-touch surfaces and high-quality finishes. Ample storage compartments and clever design elements ensure that the GTI's cabin remains practical for everyday use. The Volkswagen Golf GTI SE is packed with advanced technology to enhance both convenience and the driving experience. The Digital Cockpit Pro display offers a customizable digital instrument cluster, putting key information like navigation, speed, and performance data directly in the driver's view. The central infotainment system features a high-resolution touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless charging capabilities, ensuring seamless connectivity. The available Harman Kardon premium audio system provides an immersive sound experience, perfect for enjoying your favorite tunes on the road. Volkswagen equips the Golf GTI SE with a host of advanced safety and driver assistance features to keep you protected on every journey. Standard features include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control further enhance safety, especially during highway driving. The car also comes with rear cross-traffic alert and a rear-view camera, making parking and reversing safer and easier. With its comprehensive safety package, the Golf GTI provides peace of mind whether you're commuting or pushing it on a twisty road. Convenience in the Volkswagen Golf GTI SE is designed to match its performance-driven nature. Keyless access with push-button start makes it easy to get in and go, while the dual-zone automatic climate control ensures personalized comfort for both driver and passengers. The compact yet practical design of the Golf GTI offers ample cargo space, and with the rear seats folded down, it provides enough room to handle larger loads. The hatchback's layout is practical for both city driving and weekend getaways, offering a blend of sportiness and everyday usability. The 2024 Volkswagen Golf GTI SE continues the GTI legacy by delivering thrilling performance in a practical, stylish package. With its bold exterior design, turbocharged power, and engaging manual transmission, it offers an unparalleled driving experience for enthusiasts. Inside, the GTI strikes a balance between sporty design and everyday comfort, while the latest technology and comprehensive safety features make it a well-rounded choice. Whether you're carving through winding roads or navigating city streets, the Golf GTI is the perfect companion for those who crave both excitement and versatility in their daily drive. Give us a call today at 480-646-4858 or visit us online at bergevw.com.